School newsletters can be useful for parents in several ways. 1. Communication. Newsletters can be an effective way for schools to communicate important information to parents, such as upcoming events, school policies, and academic updates. 2. Involvement. Newsletters can help parents stay involved in their child's education by providing insights into what's happening in the classroom and how they can support their child's learning at home. 3. Connection. Newsletters can help build a sense of community between the school and parents by highlighting student achievements, staff accomplishments, and other positive news. Overall, school newsletters can be a valuable tool for parents to stay connected and informed about their child's education. So let's take a look at how you can create a newsletter using the Maths Whiteboard generator. Step 1. Choose a title to appear in the banner of your newsletter. Step 2. Customize the banner to include your school's logo. Alternatively, the Maths Whiteboard icon will be used if one is not provided. Step 3. Cycle through the bank of motivational quotes. The quote will appear under the banner of your newsletter. Step 4. To help review recent content, choose 2 topics that your target audience has recently covered. The system will then attach any relevant topic notes or worked examples to your newsletter, and any available video tutorials. Step 5. To help with the retrieval process, choose a past topic that your target audience has covered. The system will then generate a range of tiered and differentiated questions based on your topic. Step 6 and 7. To help with newsletter engagement, you can choose to include a fun fact or a joke, then one of 3 fun activities in your newsletter. Step 8. To help communicate important information, upcoming events, or anything worth celebrating, an open text field has been provided. When all steps have been completed, select the button Create Newsletter. A PDF will then be downloaded containing all of the options you selected. Page 1 contains the motivational quote and review topics. Page 2 contains the retrieval activity, engagement tasks, and the important information. Finally, page 3 contains the answers to any of the page 2 tasks.